Hello ABR-MarketWatch viewers. Today's market story is all about a roller coaster ride of gains, losses, and uncertain trade deals. Let's kick things off with the two biggest headlines. U.S. tech giants took a hit today, with Nvidia, -2%, and Broadcom, -3.3%, dropping ahead of earnings reports from Alphabet and Tesla. Meanwhile, heavyweights like Lockheed Martin, -8.6%, Philip Morris, -7.4%, and General Motors, -7.2%, tumbled due to disappointing results and trade-related concerns. The overall market mood today can be summed up as cautiously optimistic. Tech stocks dipped due to setbacks in SoftBank's AI project, but healthcare stocks rose nearly 2%. Small caps performed well, with the Russell 2000 up around 1%. The trade landscape remains uncertain. President Trump announced a potential 19% tariff deal with the Philippines, though confirmation is pending from Manila. Treasury Secretary Bessent hinted at an extension of the U.S. China tariff deadline and plans for a meeting with Chinese officials next week in Stockholm. The performance of the stock market over the coming 2 weeks could be shaped by key earnings reports, starting with Alphabet on Wednesday. Tech sectors, particularly AI leaders like Google, Microsoft, and Oracle, account for nearly a third of estimated second-quarter profits. Companies are investing billions in AI development to establish dominant positions, with capital spending expected to surge 41% this year for major tech players like Amazon, Google, Meta, and Microsoft. This spending may slow next year but could drive gains across sectors due to increased demand for electrification, construction, utilities, and more jobs. Analysts see the fruits of this spending impacting the market over the near term, potentially supporting a broader rally. Investors can also consider utility stocks as they benefit from these hyperscaler investments, with the S&P 500 utilities sector gaining 8.2% over the past 6 months. AI is expected to transform multiple sectors and drive growth for decades, making it crucial for markets to successfully transition from concept to reality. Today saw mixed performances on the U.S. stock market. The S&P 500 reached a new record high, gaining 0.1%, while the Dow added 170 points. Conversely, the Nasdaq 100 slipped 0.5%. Despite regulatory scrutiny and early stock languishing, analysts remain bullish on Robinhood's future inclusion in the S&P 500, viewing it as a testament to the company's rapid growth and execution beyond expectations. With a market cap of $93 billion, Robinhood is one of the largest companies not in the index, while Block, formerly Square, has a market cap of $48 billion. The median market cap for S&P 500 companies is $36.7 billion. In closing, markets hit fresh highs following President Trump's trade deals with the Philippines and Indonesia, and Treasury Secretary Bessent's supportive comments on Jerome Powell and U.S. China trade. The S&P 500 gained 0.1%, Dow rose 0.4%, while Nasdaq dropped 0.4%. As always, stay tuned to ABR MarketWatch for the latest market updates and insights. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to help you make informed decisions.